What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2023 Ford Expedition. And the Ford Expedition has a 3.5 liter turbocharged V6. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement engine air filters if you're in need. So we're standing at the front of the vehicle. As you can see, we've already got the hood popped. Now if we take a look at the driver's side, we see this item right here. This is going to be the airbox assembly. The engine air filter is inside of here. In order to get this apart, there's two clips we need to undo. One right here. There's another one like it right here that just pushes off there. Once we get those two clips off, what I'm going to do is grab onto the airbox like this and slide it just slightly towards the front of the vehicle. And then it'll pop up like this. And we can reach in here and get the actual engine air filter out. So when you put your new engine air filter in, make sure you have it in this orientation with the black gasket, or sometimes it's orange rubber gasket on the top. And also when you take your old filter out, if there's any extra debris or leaves or anything in the airbox, it's a good idea to grab a vacuum or even just a rag and clean that all out. Once you have that airbox clean and our new air filter sitting in there like that, we can put this airbox back on. And taking a look at the back, there's these tabs right here that fit in these notches down here. So that's what you'll line up. Line those tabs up in there like that. Make sure that's all the way slid in. Then once we have that in place, we'll snap these clips back on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.